Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode what we're going to do is we're going to transform this very dirty Corsa VXR from this to this, using all the products that I've reviewed so far on the channel. So if you've seen those videos, this is a combination of all them put together in one car. And so let's just very quickly start by taking a look at how dirty this car really is. The original plan for this video was to do a step-by-step guide on how to detail a car from start to finish. But between filming and editing this footage, the channel's passed over 1,000 subscribers, so what I thought I'd do instead, as a way of thanking you guys for the love and the support that you've shown me over the last 8 months of this YouTube journey that I'm on, I've decided to just let the footage run, get some decent music, so we can all just chill out and watch the transformation of this little Corsa. And if you're new to the channel, I'd love you to click the subscribe button for me, that would mean the world. And I hope you enjoy the video.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high, laying on the grass, I close my eyes, playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. Oh, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you.
So that's the transformation of this little Corsa now complete. The change is absolutely phenomenal between what it looked like at the start and what it looks like after quite a few hours of work. But it was completely worth it. I love doing this type of stuff, and I know most of you guys do too. So again, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that subscribed to the channel. And if you've made it to this point in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, consider clicking the subscribe button for me. We obviously have something in common, which is the love of cleaning and detailing cars, so consider it if nothing else. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.